What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we are going to be installing the Acuity Accelerator pedal relocation bracket kit for your 10th gen Honda Civic Si. What better way to start the year with a driver's mod for self-improvement? So let's get to it. So now I'm going to tell you what tools you guys are going to need, and it should be a pretty simple mod. It should take you less than like 15 minutes if you're new to the car scene and new to wrenching on your own cars like me. So let's get to it. You will need one wrench, an extension, and a 12mm socket. Bam, that's all you need, and your fingers. So let's get to it. So what this mod does is basically help improve heel toe downshifting. As you can see with the stock pedal, I can't actually do it unless I'm slamming on my brake and I'm wearing a size 10 shoes, and I'm putting a lot of pressure just to reach the accelerator, as the accelerator pedal is too lower than a brake pedal, as you can see. So Acuity's great attention to detail lets you know right on the box what each position does, as there's 3 positions. Position A moves the pedal closer to the driver, B is slightly further from the driver than position A and slightly closer to the brake pedal, and C is furthest from the driver, still much closer than stock, and also moves the accelerator pedal closer to the brake pedal. So what you want to do is, if you have a large coupe door like me, is open the door wide enough, get under here, and you will see a connector right here that you just want to pull out. Okay guys, you might need like a small pick tool or a small flathead to just push this connector up and pull it out at the same time. I've been struggling a little bit to get this connection out. So push it in right here and out, up, and you'll get it out. So now that you've gotten that connector out, there's gonna be one 12mm bolt right there, 2 and 3. So it'll be 3 total. So after you've gotten all that loosened, you just want to pull it out. So there's 2, and the last one, bam, 3. Now you just want to pull it out like that. Let me show you guys what the product actually looks like. Sheesh! So Acuity is kind enough to send us some washers and bolts that go into it. So here is the accelerator relocation bracket kit from Acuity. Such nice finish. Beautiful, beautiful. So going through the car forums, a lot of people seem to like position C better, and I think I'm gonna put it to position C. But this is honestly the good thing about Acuity having 3 different options. If you don't like one option, you can go to B. If you don't like B option, you can go to A. And then if you don't like either or, you could sell it back and go back to stock. But the more options, the better for car enthusiasts. So that's all you really need. Also, a side note, like I stated earlier, people who really don't downshift, heel toe downshift or anything like that, it'll be good for ergonomics, as sometimes when you position your seat, you're still uncomfortable while driving, while this may actually help you find a better position while adjusting your seat back and forth, up and down, and also having this kit. So it'll also help in a sense that way too, for anyone who's not looking into a spirited driving technique, but more so of a daily economic car from A to B. This will probably help you too. All right guys, so I got everything lined up basically in position C, just to show you guys the demonstration really quick. And you would need a 3/16 Allen wrench or a hex wrench, as that's the right size that would fit to install it. And just put everything back vice versa. I'm gonna try to show you guys how to put it back in as best as I can with the tight space that's there. All right guys, so after you got the Acuity bracket mounted up here, you just want to grab those 12mm bolts that you loosened up earlier and reuse them to tighten this down. Alright guys, so after you got all the 12mm bolts tightened up, now you can put the accelerator pedal back to its location. And with the Acuity washers and bolts they provided you, that's where you would basically adjust it to whichever option you want it to. A, B, or C. And we're gonna go with C. So here is the pedal accelerator. And since I want it at position C, I'm gonna put it right here. And then same thing with B, like that, just line it up with the holes, and A. So we're gonna go with C, which is down here. So now that you got everything in, connect the connector back in, and boom, that's it. So now let's see how it'll feel. So as you guys can see, this is position C, and I can tap the brakes while blipping the throttle much easier now. So I don't know how to heel toe downshift yet, but this is a good stepping stone in learning. I could be like, oh. So I highly recommend this mod to anyone who's into spirited driving and like carving through those great canyons and back roads and mountains. I honestly find it really helpful from just the initial impressions of installing it, and I hope it'll do that with you guys too if you plan on buying it. Because honestly, look at this, my seat's all the way back and I still could do it. Like, that's just crazy. Like, the amount of adjustability and everything Acuity gives you, like, you can't beat option. If you guys got any questions or concerns, you guys can leave a comment down below in the comment section. You guys already know I like to talk to you guys and get back to you, so I'll give you my feedback on how I feel with everything. But for honestly $100, you can't beat this mod with the amount of adjustability it has. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to your boy to not miss any future content from me. Your boy's gonna give you a small little sneak peek of what's to come. eBay box, but it ain't nothing eBay. It's another Acuity product. You know the vibes. You know the whole vibe. So road to 500 by the end of this year. Peace. And here's the... I fumbled the bag. Oh, you scared me. Are
you cold?
Yeah, my thumb was like cramping up while tightening that. I was like, oh.
There's ice over
Oh,
here.
geez, I know.
Okay, I'm gonna go back home.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.